Well, I guess spring's here. It's awfully bright out here. So today we are smoking something you don't normally smoke on the smoker. You just don't put it on there. Somebody told me to try it, so I'm trying it. All right, so I've cleaned my grill. It's still smoking a little bit. I've just turned it on. It's about ready to take what I'm going to be cooking. That's not being used today. That's for a brisket I'm doing after this video for my lovely wife Tammy because she loves brisket. So I'm just leaving that there for now. But let's go get what we're smoking. Where are you? It's in here, somewhere in here. Oh, here it is. There it is, baby. A frozen pizza. I'm doing the mother of meat, Scream at the Sea and Pizza. Somebody told me to smoke a frozen pizza. They've done it. They do it all the time, and it's amazing. All right, I got it on my little cookie sheet. Oh, it's so bright. It is so bright. I gotta wear my shades. All right, so I'm gonna just slide this right on there and then set the temperature. There you go. That's it. We're gonna cook this at 400 degrees and just see what happens. Now, I know a lot of you are asking, why are you making a whole brisket for your wife? Because I love her dearly, and men, listen carefully. She's the one who lets you buy the smoker. Always cook your wife's favorite meats for her, got it? She may not like to cook on a smoker, but women like to eat. Cheese is all melted. Meat's a little crispy. This is what I'm looking at right there, the crust. Looks beautiful. See how it's all solid now? So I'm gonna get my pan under here. Here we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? She's gorgeous. Let's see what the bottom looks like really quick. How's the bottom look? Oh, it's good. It's not dark like I'd like it, but I didn't want to go too far. The outside was getting crispy right here on the edge, and it's piping hot. So let's give it a try. Oh, wow. Okay, so the smoke flavor is all through this pizza. Mainly in the crust, the bottom. Wow. When you bite it, it's right on your tongue. That really took to the flavor. Let's try the crust here, hold on. I will totally do this again. All right, whoever you are that told me to do this, I apologize, I don't remember your name. Smoke frozen pizza is absolutely amazing. I'm totally blown away. I'm gonna have lunch, and I'll see you guys later on the next episode. Bye-bye. I lied, I'm back. Okay, so I've been eating the rest of my slice. It's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. I will probably never put frozen pizza in the oven again. This tastes like it came out of a brick oven. It doesn't even, you would swear it's not frozen pizza. My wife, she tasted it and she took a whole bunch upstairs with her because she's working in the office. But oh my goodness, guys, try it. You've got to try smoked frozen pizza.